Morning.
Good morning, guys.
So we're back. So just a little bit of an update. We've actually been in Japan for about a month now, just doing some things, some errands, but now we're doing a little bit of exploration. So today we are on our way to Yokohama. And we're gonna do a whole lot of things over there. You go to Chinatown. Hey, it's gonna be a fun day. All right, see you there. Alright, so I'm making a quick stop by the statue, the Hachiko statue. It's like this legend. It's a true story though, right? I don't know what it is, look it up, but really it's just about a dog who was waiting for his master every day for 9 years at the train, or 9 years at the train station because he passed away and he was just waiting for him. There's a movie actually about it on Netflix called Hachi. It's got Richard Gere in it, so check it out. It's a good story.
I cried a lot.
You're gonna cry a lot. So here's Hachi. Alright, now we're gonna go hop into the next train on our way to Yokohama. Alright guys, we're here. We finally made it out of the trains and we're here in Yokohama in the Chinatown district. So first order of business, we're gonna have some shark fin soup, which I think is not illegal here. And I think it's illegal in the States, but whatever. I've never had it.
It's illegal here.
No, she said it's legal here. Yeah, we're gonna have some of that stuff. Should be pretty exciting. Eh?
Ni hao ma.
Alright guys, except we're in Chinatown. What do you call that? The gate? The temple gate? Shrine?
Tori.
Tori. So the Chinese Tori is very...
Not Tori, but...
So the question I want to know is that, so there seems to be a Chinatown in every single country, but is there a Chinatown in China? Like really, someone in the comments, please let me know, is there really a Chinatown in China? Like, did someone decide that, hey, let's be funny and let's set up a Chinatown in China? I don't know. So it's a good food for thought for today, right? Is there a Chinatown in China? Well, anyway, we're gonna go explore Chinatown here in Yokohama. It's not bad. It's okay. It's just a lot of collagen. I feel bad for the shark that they had to kill just for their fin. But if you told me that it was shark fin soup, I wouldn't be able to tell the difference from just some regular like sweet and sour soup. But it's very thick, very viscous. Not bad. So by the way, yeah, so the shark fin was okay. I don't condone shark finning at all, so but I decided to give it a try. It's okay. It doesn't add any flavor. It's more of a textural thing. I don't condone shark finning at all, but I had to try it. We're walking around for what feels like an hour, and we're here at Yamashita Park, which is right by the pier, right by the harbor. What do you call this pier? What do you call this pier over here?
I don't know.
I don't know. This is the name of this pier. So that's a I don't know pier. It's a very famous pier here in Yokohama. I don't know translates to I don't know also in English. One of the few piers that have a dual English and Japanese translation. This one. The I don't know pier. Very famous pier in Yokohama. Look it up on Google. 4.7 out of 5 stars. Highly recommend it. Check it out. But now we're walking towards the Onbashi pier. We're taking a pier. We're taking a boat. We're right here. Taking a boat to here.
近所の人に見られたら恥ずかしいからやめて。確かに。
City plan. And then we're gonna just check out what's there. Alright, one more last minute change of plans. We're gonna go take a further destination up closer to the Ramen Museum, another place here in Yokohama, which we felt we were gonna go to. This is kind of far. So now we're gonna go all the way to the Yokohama Station pier. So change of plans, which is what we do when our plans have failed initially. Where's the boat? Where's the boat? Here? Yeah, when the boat comes. The boat's not here yet. Okay. I think the boat's here. Look, it's a tiny little boat. Chisai boat. I thought we were gonna get in one of those kind of boats right there, but nope, we're getting this little tiny boat.
Point for Yokohama Chinatown for shopping and dining, as well as the Yokohama Foreign General Elevator and
What is ramen?
Made it to our probably last destination today, Ramen Museum here in Yokohama. We're gonna go check it out. So on the second floor on this Ramen Museum are a bunch of little ramen restaurants where you can try different ramen from all over Japan, different styles. So what we're gonna try to do is we're gonna try to go to as many little ramen. What do you call them?
What's target?
Target?
Yeah.
Four.
4.
And yeah, at least they have little bowls you can try different styles from different parts of Japan. So first one we're trying is that one. So this particular ramen, it doesn't look like it's from a particular place in Japan, but it's about a guy who traveled all over Japan and he kind of handpicked different ingredients to kind of come up with this really unique style. It's really delicious soy sauce based ramen. Alright, here we go guys. Number one.
Number 1.
What's that one again? Salt?
Salt base and soy base.
Okay.
Oh, it's not so
It's very, very thin noodle. I think it's not so thick.
This one?
Nice.
Use a flavor.
Easy flavor. The noodles are very good. Like nice thickness to it, in terms of like chewiness. Oh man. Not very salty, just kind of a light soy sauce broth. That's good. Okay, so far so good.
Good choice.
Good choice. Alright, one done. 3 more to go. So it's kind of cool. They kind of decorated as like a really old school yokocho, which is like a ramen street kind of thing. Alright, second stop. So here we have miso, ramen, and salt.
Base.
And where are they from?
They're from Hokkaido.
Huh?
Hokkaido.
Hokkaido, okay.
You can pick a name.
Very firm, very thick. Let's try this miso based broth. Fat here. Yeah, fat here. Look how oily and thick that is.
This is a fish cake.
Oh, good. I thought that was fat. How was it? We'll see if we can knock this one out and go for number 3. Two down. Oh, that's just broth left over. Alright guys. I'm getting a little full. I'm getting sweaty too. Go on to number 3. Are you full? Alright guys, we're 3rd place. Ah, so this is a pork bone broth. This is kind of like a vegan style, right? So it's like made with soybeans instead of pork bone.
What you wanted to say is this one. It's pork, but it's actually
Soybean.
soybean.
I see. Oh, it looks really thick. I've not got the regular meat. Alright, give it a go, guys. Noodles are very thin, not very firm or soft. Almost like spaghetti. Actually. Well, let's try the broth. Okay, light. The broth is very light.
But this is the typical Kishi ramen.
Yeah, surprisingly guys, I thought it was going to be fatty and heavy and thick, but actually it's lighter than all the other ramen that we tried. So I'm very surprised, but pretty good.
Creamy, no?
Yeah, but not creamy like it's thick. It's not rich. It's like silky creamy. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and finish this. Alright, number 3 knocked down. It's just hard to go through all that broth. It's so full already. Not sure if we can hit the number 4. Man, everything's been so good so far. But that broth, it's just hard. It's like water, fat.
More fat.
Alright guys, so we failed the challenge. We can only do 3. I think 4 was way too much. Anyway, so I think we're gonna go head back home now. Really enjoyed out here in Yokohama, and I'll have to come back for the cup of noodle museum next time.
Yes.
For now, we're gonna say goodnight because we're full and we feel fat, and we're just gonna go home. Alright? So, oyasumi nasai.
Sen.
Oyasumi nasai.